Hello, Adrift here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a Discord glitch that's been happening. So, you know how Discord won't open, like you'll keep on clicking it and it won't open. So I found a way to fix this. So, first you go to here. So this is only on Windows. So, you go here, you go to Task Manager. And once you have Task Manager open, you'll have to go to Discord. Usually it will have like you'll notice it's kind of Discord, but it's kind of clear. You'll usually you'll usually click that, and you'll go to here and go to End Task. But since I don't have the glitch right now, I can't do that. So if the clear thing doesn't pop up for you, because it sometimes won't, just go to each individual one and you end this task, and this should work. So then once you're done, you would be able to open Discord. So that's it for today, guys. I tried making a video on the new Moisty Palms glitch, how you can become a prop anywhere, but that wasn't working. So hope have a nice day. Hope this works for you, and bye.